vlog. This is what, ooh. Hi, this is my first YouTube video ever. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. So this video is going to be about me going on a trip to Seattle. I don't know how to pronounce it, Seattle. But yeah, a vlog, trip video. I don't know, you can call it whatever. But I hope y'all like it. I'm not going to record everything, just important stuff. Not to make my video long, but after this video, if y'all like longer videos or if y'all want longer videos, comment. But yeah. It's about 6 o'clock, I think, in the morning. Made it to the car thing. But I'm tired. We're at the airport. We're at the airport. It's currently 7:25. We made it through all the stuff. There was a technical difficulty, but yeah, I think we aboard 7:30. But yeah, and we don't get to our layoff or delay or whatever it's called till Tennessee, when we get to Tennessee. Currently 7:58. We're on the plane. Editing my video, but I have no internet. I have no internet, so I might as well just wait till I get off because I have an hour wait. So I'm on my iPad because my phone had died and I had no time to charge it. But we had a layover in Nashville, Tennessee. But yeah, and I got some food and I couldn't even eat it or charge my phone. So yeah, my bottom eyelashes are freaking missing. But yeah, I'm waiting for the Uber.
App-based rideshare.
But yeah, the flight was okay. I couldn't sleep at all. So, ooh. I'll see y'all when I get to the hotel or whatever. So, we're downtown Atlanta. We're in downtown Seattle. But we officially made it to our spot where we need to be at. My eyes are tea, right? They're green and brown and a little bit of orange, right? We're really doing nothing. We're gonna just get something to eat, and I'm gonna just end the vlog for here today. Like, did that make sense? I don't know if that made sense, but yeah, tomorrow we got a lot of stuff to do, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. So, hola, good morning. It's whatever time it is. We don't know what time it is, but we're gonna go we're gonna go get breakfast, and I don't know what we're doing after. Y'all update, but we left from this breakfast place. I went to go take pictures. They were at this Starbucks. I don't know how to pronounce it, relay, whatever it is. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing after this, but I'll talk to y'all later. Made it to the hotel. Came back to the hotel. My sister got changed or whatever. Now me and my sister is gonna walk around. And yeah. So we're back at the little hotel from walking around. We're gonna go to this little hot tub thingy majingy. Yeah. So we're at this little lake. We got a little motorboat, hot tub motorboat, whatever it is.
You want me to come over there? I want y'all to move on my way.
I don't know. Might take pictures, might not.
Huh?
So we came back from the little thingy majingy. It was good. The tugboat, whatever the freak is called. But yeah, I got me some food. And this is the end of the vlog for today. Good morning. Sound like an old man, but I'm finna just get in the shower, wash my face, brush my teeth, and get dressed. and see what we're finna do today. Hola, good afternoon. It is 12 something. We're going to the public market and walking around because my mom is at work and we're just gonna find stuff to do. But I'll talk to y'all later.
Oh, video.
You got an ATM.
Get you a sister that will trick on you. I've been updating y'all, but went back for the hotel. Was waiting until my mom came home. Now we're out walking again. Then we're going to Target. I'm out of breath. All these hills. We're at Target now. My sister wanna act fucking dumb. I'm cursing, my bad. The sister wanna act dumb. They went up the one to go to the parking garage. Like, fuck. I'm not playing when I say get you a sister that will trick. Cause my sister spent like $100 on me today. Get you a sister.
Boyfriend no more.
Yeah.
So, I gotta
Just trick on me.
all this, right? You know me.
Just trick on me. But we're at this little cafe, I think. I don't know what it is, but it sells like little snacks or whatever. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to the hotel. My phone's on 1. The room, we got food. And I'm gonna end the vlog off for today here. Tomorrow might actually be my last day vlogging this little trip. So we might see, and I might take pictures again tomorrow. Hola, ¿cómo estás, guys? We got Indian food for the first time. I'm a little picky, so we gonna see. We're gonna see. It has a smell. I don't like the rice.
Was there any other silverware down there?
This is a samosa. I don't know what it is. Oh, I don't like that. None, a garlic naan.
Like that. Like, those people don't eat that rice.
Huh?
That rice wasn't just yours, Carmel.
Okay.
But you're mixing yours on.
No, I'm not.
There's a whole other rice over here.
I give it. I don't know what I give it. So like this needs to be spicier. But a 7.5. My lights are off because I didn't want to turn them on. But I swear I thought, wait, what? I thought I recorded this day, like me taking pictures and everything, but I didn't. And this is kind of the end of the vlog, the trip. whatever you can call it. But I very much had fun. I enjoyed the trip. But I'll rate it like a 7. It was real cold for it to be summer, but it wasn't summer down there. Their summer starts in June. July. But it was a lot of zombies. If y'all don't know what I mean by zombies, it was like addicts, like drug addicts. Like, it was a lot of them. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like and comment, and most definitely subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you.